Sarvasanga, Sarva Shastra Hoy, Lavamatra Sarvasanga, Sarva Siddhi Hoy. So this is the effect, the asar, the effect of the sadhu sangha. So to counteract, or to, let's say, increase one's faith and increase one's surrender, because the question on the floor is about the vast gap of surrender to reach the lotus feet of Krishna. Because the first surrender, the first step in the long, long journey of perfection is surrender at the feet of Sadguru. And the final step of surrender is falling at the feet of Krishna, like Gopakumar. They embraced and collapsed on the ground. And Gopakumar clutched his feet. He wanted to fall, collapse on the ground when he had darshan of Gopal and clutch his feet. My place is here. Savai Mana Krishna Pada Ravindayo. Ambarish Maharaj. Savai Mana Krishna Pada Ravindayo. I worship your feet. My place is there. This is the place of meditation. Bhakti begins there. This is the highest form of meditation. Sarva Madhya Dhyan. Radha Krishna Aravinda Dhyan Sar. The essence of all meditation is to meditate on the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna. So Gopakumar wanted to collapse at the feet of Gopal when he finally had darshan in Goloka Vrindavan. And Gopal said, "No, you're a Sakha. You're a Sakha." And yes, the Sakhas we play when we're wrestling. We try to touch each other's feet and we play kabaddi kabaddi. We play kabaddi kabaddi and we run all around and try to tag each other and play tag, and it's called kabaddi kabaddi, and touch each other's feet. But we also embrace Prema Lingata, Sakirati Prema Lingata. We embrace lovingly and tightly together. Sri Ram and me, and Subal and me and Batu. So hey Gopakumar, you're my beloved friend. So Krishna ran and wrapped him in an embrace, and they collapsed on the ground. And then Gopakumar, oh my Lord, grabbed his feet. So this is the last step of surrender. It starts with surrender at the feet of Guru and ends up with surrender at the feet of Krishna. Guru's feet are Krishna's feet. The more we surrender to Guru's feet, the more we see Krishna's feet. Guru's feet are sweet, Krishna's feet are sweeter still. And Radharani's feet are the sweetest of the sweet. Radharani ki jai, Sri Krishna Bhagavan ki jai.